Hey guys, welcome back to M Squad. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make lemonade popsicles. Let's get started. The items that you're going to need is the popsicle holders, 10 lemons, probably a bucket if you have one, filled with water, the lemon squeezer, a knife to cut the lemons, a cutting board, some sugar, and that's all. And now I'm gonna cut the lemons so I can squeeze them into the water. Okay, so now that we cut the lemons, now we are going to be putting the lemons in this thing, this lemon squeezer. And first I have to open the top. There's water inside of here. I put one of the lemons facing down. Then I put this top. Start squeezing it. It's hard to squeeze. Okay. It's hard to squeeze. Okay, so it's gonna take me a while to squeeze these, so I'll be right back when I'm done squeezing them. Okay, so now that I'm done squeezing all the lemons into the container, now I'm going to put 3 scoops of sugar in the container. Then I'm going to stir it. Then after that, I'm going to put it in here. So now I'm going to open the lid, put the sugar, grab this spoon. Then I'm going to put this much. That's one. This is 2. I need one more. And then 3. Okay, so now that I'm done putting all the 3 scoops of sugar, I'm going to close the lid, put this into the here, and I'm going to stir it with this green spoon. So now I'm stirring it, and after I'm done stirring it, I'm going to put it in these containers. Okay, so now that my mom helped me fill in the little containers, now I'm going to put all these sticks in each one. Okay, so now that I'm done putting the sticks on, now I'm going to put it in the freezer so they can freeze up. Okay, so now that I put the lemonade popsicles in the freezer, you have to leave the lemonade popsicles about 24 hours so they can freeze up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to watch our other videos. Bye!